Today, I'm going to show you 3 distinct applications that you can start using right now, and they will be bringing you passive money without selling. So without any further ado, let's start with the first app. This website is called dollarclicks.com. Simply go to dollarclicks.com and complete a few short surveys to earn additional prizes and cash on the website. Now, once you've completed your tasks and surveys, you will be paid via PayPal, Visa card, bank transfer, wire transfer, or gift cards such as Tango, Amazon, and others, as well as a variety of other payment choices such as Bitcoin, ATMs, and Gcash. This website, dollarclicks.com, is one of my favorite because it brings together a variety of partners in one place. OfferWall 1, AdPersona.ly, Peanut Labs, AdWall, and others are all listed here. All of them are well-known and publicly traded organizations that provide basic tasks and surveys for you to do. Again, this is the most popular paid service community, and you can join it on your phone by visiting DollarClicks. COM and downloading the app. Over 4,800 active members may be found right here. They connect onto the app every day and begin earning passive money. So far, over 2 million has been paid out to all members, and over 500,000 various gift cards have been mailed out to the members. There are over 25 different OfferWall partners from which you can select to work and start earning money from all of these apps. So without further ado, I will show you all of the withdrawals as well as confirmation of payment. Bankwire, Bitcoin Tango card and Visa card, Amazon gift card, and PayPal money, for example, are all listed here. You can see all the usernames and payment options available as I scroll down below, as well as the amount of revenue. For instance, you can see $4, $27, $55, and even $100. Here, I could just go to the bottom, where there are over 3,000 distinct pages of bill payment proof. We have members from Indonesia, Africa, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and India, as well as people from the Philippines, all of whom are available internationally in all countries. Now let me demonstrate how to create a free account. When you go to dollarclicks.com, look at the right for a distribution. You can get 10 additional points right away. If you copy the registration, simply enter your first and last names, username, password, and email address, then click You Are Not a Robot to accept the terms and privacy policy. It's as simple as clicking the Sign Up button. Moving on to the second app, which is Big Ticket Commission, which is essentially the world's first automated high-ticket commission scheme. Brand new web-based app generates high-ticket commissions and red-hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. Big Ticket Commission focuses on high-ticket sales, which means that each ticket commission might be worth up to $1,000. The nicest part about the software is that it does everything for you and sends you free traffic and clicks to your referral links right away. In general, the system may be set up in 15 minutes with 3 simple procedures, and they provide a step-by-step explanation. First and foremost, you must include your affiliate links. The free built-in traffic can be activated in the second step. Step 3 is to sit back, relax, and make sales. Many people, even total beginners, are making large commissions online by employing these identical tactics. As you can see, $995 yesterday is $1,700 today, even while you don't make $1,000 commissions in a single day. $100, $200, or $500 is a substantial sum of money, especially in terms of passive income. Now for the third app, we'll take a look at the HoneyGain app. Okay, so go to HoneyGain.com and you can earn passive income with ease with this software. This is a very straightforward notion. With HoneyGain, you can genuinely generate money by simply sharing your internet connection, says the website. This is something you could put on your phone. This is a completely free service with HoneyGain. You can start generating money online in only a few minutes. Simply install the app on your service, set up for a free account. Lie back and watch your balance build. Has stated in easy ways to earn passive income. The first step is to set up the system. You must now download the app, which is completely free to enter your devices. You can also connect them through the internet. You can do this on your phone, on your iPad, on your computer, or on your laptop. Step number 2, after you've linked your device to the internet, receive the Run HoneyGain command. Essentially, their content is to share the internet with others. But don't worry, they don't have access to any of your private personal information. Once you begin using HoneyGain, they will begin sharing your internet speed and internet porter with individuals all around the world. Finally, by doing so, you will be able to earn passive money without having to do any more labor. Simply turn on any of the devices and share your internet connection. On their website, they provide an intriguing feature that allows you to estimate your basic earnings. So as you can see, the amount of traffic speed and the internet you share is dependent on how many devices you have. HoneyGain suggests that you exhibit 3 distinct devices. You can modify the amount of data traffic that you're willing to share right here. 2 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 11 gigabytes, and so on are examples of memory sizes. As we can see, you can just drag and drop any of these spots right here. You can also slide the pointer over the daily content delivery, and it will show you your expected monthly income. Now their earnings on this website aren't particularly high. But the good news is that it's entirely pack of money. Once again, you can download honeygain.com by clicking any of the blue buttons below on a private website for free. And that's it. If you love more videos like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.
Like smart.